Last day, Amal. Step by step, 12th Dhul Hijjah, 1. Rami al-Jamarat. Stone all 3 pillars. Throw 7 pebbles at each of the 3 Jamarat, saying, Allahu Akbar, with every throw. Start from the smallest pillar, Jamra al-Sugra, and end at the largest, Jamra al-Kubra. Reference, Sahih Muslim. The Prophet ﷺ stoned the Jamarat in order, beginning with the smallest. 2. Make dua after the first 2 Jamarat. After stoning the first and second pillar, face the Qibla, raise your hands, and make a long, sincere dua. No dua is required after the 3rd, largest pillar. Reference, Sahih al-Bukhari. The Prophet ﷺ stood facing the Qibla after the first 2 stonings and made dua. 3. Leave Mina before sunset. Pilgrims who choose to depart on the 12th must leave Mina before sunset. Those who stay overnight must complete Rami again on the 13th, mustahab. Reference, Quran 2:203. Whoever hastens in 2 days, there is no sin on him. 4. Tawaf al-Wada. The farewell Tawaf. Perform 7 circuits around the Kaaba. Pray 2 rakahs behind Maqam Ibrahim, if possible. This is the last rite of Hajj and is Wajib, obligatory for all pilgrims except women in menses. Reference, Sahih al-Bukhari. The people were ordered that the last act should be circumambulation of the Kaaba. 5. Drink Zamzam water and make your final dua. Drink Zamzam water, face the Kaaba, and make your most heartfelt dua. Ask for acceptance of your Hajj, forgiveness, and blessings for your family. Reference, Ibn Majah. Zamzam water is for whatever purpose it is drunk for. 6. Exit Masjid al-Haram with reverence. Leave stepping backward, keeping your gaze on the Kaaba for as long as possible. Recite, Allahumma inni as'aluka ridaka wal jannah. O Allah, I ask you for your pleasure and paradise. Reference, Sunnah of departure from any mosque. Exit with the left foot. This is the last day of Hajj, the 12th of Dhul Hijjah. Today you stone all 3 pillars at the Jamarat, 7 pebbles each, saying Allahu Akbar with every throw. Make dua after the first 2. Pour your heart out. Then you return to Makkah for the most emotional moment of your life, Tawaf al-Wada, the farewell Tawaf. 7 final rounds around the Kaaba. Drink Zamzam. Cry. Ask. Beg. Because this might be the last time you ever stand here. O Allah, accept our Hajj. Ameen.